Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble putting a contour hairline cut around this raccoon. And he already had a yellow box trick proving that it's transparent, there's nothing back there. So what I do, this image is a little less than 9, so I set my nudge factor on 10. I hit the plus key on the keyboard, I move it over so it's an exact copy. And then I'm going to left click and right click. There's me and already an outline. Now what I'm going to do is go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside, 0.01 with rounded corners and then black. See, this is the fill and you don't want to contour. To me, I don't like contouring on a fill. So it just put the outline. Now I put an outline on the inside too. So let's get rid of this one. Let's select it all, go up to Object and break the contour apart, and then grab just that black line and move it over. Go up to Object and break the curve apart. You don't have to get rid of that inside stuff. You could just grab the outside and move it over and then turn it red to signify a cut line. Now, it's not exactly like in the picture, because in the picture, there's more stuff here and less stuff here. So you could always contour more. And matter of fact, you could do that. Let's contour 0.2 and see how it filled that in. Let's go a little bit more. Let's go 0.3. Now that's making your contour all the way around a little bit bigger, but if that's what you like, and also it didn't contour the inside. So we're going to select it all, go up to Object, break the contour apart, grab the black. Now, if that's too much there, you could always go back and contour the inside 0.1. And see, that way it just lessened it, but it didn't go up into those letters too bad. I'm going to go to Object, break the contour apart. If you grab the inside, it should grab the inside contour. So this should be the outside contour. So I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's make an exact copy of that. And let's take this contour away by deleting it. And let's take that contour and make it red so it stands out. And then let's nudge it back over. See, it's still a little bit more above his hand. So you could actually go a little bit more. We could contour that like 0.15. And it just does it a little bit, but see, it didn't go up into the letters. Go up to Object, break the contour apart. Once again, if you grab the inside, it'll move it out of the way and make this red and then nudge it up and over. That way it's not too much off his hand, but it's gone up into the letters a little bit more. I don't know if they're engraving this or it's for a sticker. If he said in the email, I didn't read it all. Now there is some, it's transparent. So if that was supposed to be white like this, you'd have to fill in those parts with white, but that's easily pretty done. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.